Good afternoon, students. Today we have gathered here for storytelling competition of pre-primary section. I would like to invite our judges for the competition. Our today's competition judges are Miss Sumita ma'am and Miss Sujata ma'am. I request Miss Sunita to felicitate judges with the token of love. First participant student name is Tiwari Vinayak from Junior KG. Narrating going to the story. The Foolish Crow. Claps for him.
The Foolish Crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. He had a piece of cheese. Angry fox said, piece of cheese. He thought of a plan. Get it. He prayed the voice of crow. A fox said, sing a song. When the crow opened his mouth, sing a song. Piece of cheese fell down. A fox said, I went away. Oral of the story, Female of letter. Thank you.
Amazing. Our next participant name is Barate Vedanshi. Claps for her.
The Foolish Crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. He had a piece of cheese and a basket. He thought of a plan. Get it? Ran away. Voice of crow. A fox did sing a song. When the crow opened his mouth, sing a song. Piece of cheese fell down. A fox did, it went away.
Full. Our next participant name is Cheriala Srinidhi.
Once upon a time, there was a crow. He had a piece of cheese and it was black. There is no water. He thought as a die. Getting a pair. Voice of crow. Sing a song. When the crow opened his mouth, sing a song.
Amazing. Our next participant name is Kodam Arsh.
Holy crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow, a piece of cheese, and we found him very water. I need a piece of cheese. He thought of a plan. Get it, he prayed the voice of crow. Fox did sing a song. When the crow opened his mouth, sing a song. The piece of cheese fell down. I wrote up the story, Female of letter. Thank you.
It was outstanding. Students, give him big round of applause. Our next participant name is Maheshula Lasya.
And there was a girl, he had piece of cheese. Hungry for cake, they were water. Honey, child, piece for better fun. They did prepare a food. Story is very fatal. Thank you.
It was nice. Our next participant name is Dandi Ritvik. Ritvik, come out. Ritvik.
Let's go. Once upon a time, there was a cow, the piece of cheese. Ugly fox came, there more water, and they saw the piece of cheese. He thought of a plan. Get it? He built the rest of cow. A fox. A fox hit him. The pig fell down. A fox hit him and went away. Well, Dolly, we will all further.
Wow, it was marvelous. Our next participant name is from Senior KG A class, Dusa Lakshita.
Used to sit near gates of temple every day to beg for money and food. One day they heard a rich man holding a big fish for the beggars. Govind said, Ganpat, I will carry on your back if you will lead the way. Say Ganpat, so Ganpat, I will carry on your back. Both went to the fair. Happy they were. Moral of the story, we must always try to help one another. Thank you.
Wow, it was beautiful. Our next participant name is Yadav Anushka.
Two beggars used to sit near the temple gate every day to beg for money and food. One day they heard that a rich man was holding a big fish for the beggars. They were eager to, but Ganpat was blind and could not see. When he was lame and could not walk, I will carry on my back if you will lead the way, said Ganpat. So Ganpat carried Govind on his back and they both went to the feast happily. The moral of the story is we must always try to help one another. Thank you.
Excellent. Our next participant name is Lagishetty Ikshita.
The two beggars used to sit near the gate of a temple every day to beg feast for money and food. One day they heard a rich man holding a big feast for the beggars. They agreed to go, but Ganpat was blind, could not see. Govind was lame, could not walk. I will carry you on my back if you will lead the way, said Ganpat. So Ganpat carried Govind on his back. Brown went to the feast happily. Moral of the story, we must always try to help one another. Thank you.
It was outstanding. Our next participant name is Komalwar Swarali.
You used to sit near the temple gate every day to beg for money and food. One day, a rich man holding a big feast for the beggars. The eagle to go, but Ganpat was blind, could not see. Govind could not run. I will carry you on my back if you lead the way, say Ganpat. So Ganpat carried Govind on his back. lived happily. Moral of the story: we must try to be one another. Thank you.
Was amazing. Our next participant name is Gupta Vedant.
Beggars used to sit near the temple gate every day to beg money and food. One day, the rich man holding a big fish told the beggars eager to go. Comfort was blind, he could not see. Going motionless, he could not walk. I will carry you on my back. You lead the way. Comfort and Govind go to the fish. Eat happily, follow tightly, always have one another. Thank you.
Wow, it was outstanding. Our next participant name is Nagari Parinidhi.
The two beggars used to sit near the gates of a temple every day to beg for money and food. One day, a rich man holding a big fish for the beggars. They were eager to go, but Ganpat was blind and could not see. Going was leg and could not walk. I will carry you on his back if you will lead the way, said Ganpat. So Ganpat carried Govind on his back. The boat went to the fish happily. The moral of the story: we must always try to help one another. Thank you.
Was excellent. Our next participant name is Singh Vivanshi from senior KG B class.
Two beggars used to sit near the gate of a temple every day to beg for money and food. One day, they heard a rich man holding a big fish for the beggars. They were eager to go, but Ganpat was there. Could not see. Govind was there, could not walk. I will carry you on my back if you lead the way, said Ganpat. So Ganpat carried Govind on his back, and they both went to the fish. Moral of the story: we must always try to help one another. Thank you.
Was amazing. Our next participant name is Bandarwar Aditya.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bandalar Aditya. I'm studying in senior KGP class. I'm telling about monkey and the crocodile. Once upon a time, in the middle of the forest, there was a river. In that river, there lived an old crocodile. One day, he was very hungry. Oh, it is very difficult to hunt and learn. Then he sat under a tree. A monkey saw the crocodile and asked, "Why are you so sad, crocodile? Take some mangoes, they are very tasty." "Thank you, dear monkey. Can you please give me these mangoes every day?" "Okay, crocodile." And the crocodile eat the mangoes every day. One day thought to eat the monkey's heart. So he thought an idea. I asked the monkey that my wife wants to meet you. "Please come to house with me." The monkey said, "I cannot swim. How will I get to your house?" The crocodile asked him to sit on his back. On the way, the crocodile told the monkey that his wife wanted to eat the heart of the monkey. The monkey was shocked but did not express his fear. Moral of this story: thank you.
It was marvelous. Students, give her big round of applause. Participant name is Kota Akshara.
Two beggars used to sit near the gate of a temple every day to beg for money and food. One day they heard a rich man was holding a big feast for the beggars. They were eager to go, but Ganpat was blind and could not see. Govind was blind and could not walk. I will carry you on my back if you lead the way. Say Ganpat, so Ganpat, carry Govind on my back, and they both went to the feast happily. Moral of the story: we must always try to help one another. Thank you.
Wow, it was outstanding. Our last participant name is Dusa Vidya.
The two beggars used to sit near the gate of temple every day to beg for money and food. One day they hear a rich man holding a big feast for the beggars. Eager to go, but Ganpat was plants could not see. Govind was lamb, could not walk. I will carry you on my back if you lead the way. Say Ganpat, so Ganpat, carry Govind on my back. And they both went to the feast happily. Moral of the story: we must always try to be one another. Thank you.
It was marvelous. Students, give her big round of applause. Give her big claps.
You all did very good. And every time you do this like this way. Here from junior section, the third winner is Vinayak. Clap for him. Then second winner's name is Vedashri. Come forward. Ate Vedanshri. Come forward. And the last first winner's name is Harsh. Third, second, first खड़े हैं ना ऐसे ही. Now senior KG winners are, the third winner is Akshara, Kota Akshara. Come forward. And the second winners are in two students. This is a tie-up from Anushka and Ishita. Ikshita. It's Vivanshi. Winner's name is Vivanshi. Everyone, a big applause for them.